the best PDF file viewer or opener, whatever you say, guys. It's one of the best right now, and we will be reviewing it and pretty much showing you guys how to use it like a pro. Make sure to watch for the video. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So very simply out. So at the front here, you may see some documents or any PDF file that you have on your device. It will automatically show up in this application here, or let's say you're trying to open one, will automatically load up here. Also, you have the Word as well, you have Excel, and you have PPT as well. So a good amount of documents you can use to open with this application. So over here now, you may see a star looking icon. Down here is pretty much the PDF files that you have recently opened. So pretty much for all these other three here, is pretty much the recent section. So all the documents that you have recently opened will show up here. Over here as well, the start looking icon is pretty much the documents that you have pretty much saved as your favorite. So to pretty much do that, let's say you go here at home section here and you tap on, let's say, the demo document. You can tap on the box icon here. Once you tap on the box icon, we'll pretty much add that PDF file as your favorite PDF file will show up here. So it's pretty much easier for you to find your favorite PDF files. And in these three dots over here, you can also name the PDF file or merge it with other PDF files. So to merge it, you pretty much have to tap on merge PDF files and select the PDF files that you want to merge with the demo one here. And you can just tap on any one of the ones that you have, or even three PDF files that you want to merge. Once you do that, once you have done that, you just tap on next and you're pretty much good to go. So also you have the split PDF file feature and also lock the PDF file, which will require a password to get into the PDF file. But yeah, so over here, the box icon down here, which pretty much carries you to the tool option. You have the file manager, which is pretty useful based on this application here. You can go into your files and pretty much edit some stuff. If you want to delete files or anything that on your device, you can use this application to do so. And here you can also see the merge, split, and the lock PDF file feature, and also unlock PDF file feature. So the scan PDF is pretty much, you can scan any document and turn it into a PDF file using this application. So all you gotta do is just tap on the scan PDF file option. We'll have to turn on your camera and pretty much put it on any document that you have, or you want to turn it into a PDF file, then you're pretty much good to go. So that's it for that. And also you have the night mode feature, which you can also do. And let's say you want this down here, you can also tap on the option down here where it says T. You can see the middle button down here, which you can also use as well. It's pretty much the same thing. So as I said before, it's very easy to use. And if you have any PDF files that you want to delete, you can always tap on this box icon at the top here with the tick. You just tap on it and you'll be able to delete any PDF file or even share the PDF file with your friends and family. But that will be already available in the three dots option. But here you can tap on the very top box here, and it will select all the PDF files at once, and you can just deselect the ones that you do not want to delete, or that ones that you want to delete, whatever it is. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you can also at the search bar here and pretty much search for the PDF file. But all the PDF file, once you first open the application, allow the access to your whatever storage. It will pretty much find all the PDF files or Word, Excel, everything that's on your device for you. You will pretty much see it in the section here. And yeah, you pretty much can go ahead and open it. So at the top here, you can also arrange these PDF files, the last modified ones, or by name. So you can pretty much select whichever one you want to set it by, or the cases. And once you have done that, you just tap on OK. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. And I'd love to help you guys. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.